Autophagy is your body's natural cellular cleansing process where old or damaged cell parts are broken down and recycled into new, useful components. This self-eating mechanism keeps your cells healthy, slows aging, supports metabolism, and helps protect against diseases. Fasting, exercise, and low-carb diets can activate autophagy, boosting overall vitality and longevity. Autophagy is a natural process in your body where cells break down and recycle their own damaged or unnecessary components. Cells form a structure called an autophagosome around old proteins or damaged organelles. This merges with a lysosome full of enzymes to break down these components into basic parts like amino acids. The cell then reuses these parts for energy or new cell building. So autophagy, well, it actually cleans out damaged cells, giving us a bit of an anti-aging effect. It supports cellular renewal and overall health, which is quite remarkable. It also helps our bodies fight infections. Interestingly, autophagy may even reduce the risks of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. And, it plays a role in fat burning and metabolic health, especially during periods of fasting. Intermittent fasting, typically for 12 to 16 hours or more, is what triggers autophagy. You'll want to choose a fasting window that really suits your lifestyle. For example, you could eat dinner at 7 in the evening, skip breakfast, and then have your first meal at 11 in the morning, which gives you a 16-hour fast. During the fasting period, it's important to drink water, black coffee, or even herbal teas to stay hydrated and help reduce hunger. If you're new to this, it's a good idea to start with 12-hour fasts and then gradually build up to 14 or even 16 hours to really gain those autophagy benefits. Exercise enhances the process. Combine aerobic activities like walking, jogging, or cycling with strength training to maximize autophagy activation. Working out in a fasted state, such as in the morning before breakfast, can provide added benefits if your body tolerates it. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes daily, or at least 3 to 5 times weekly, to maintain autophagy activation over time. Low-carb or ketogenic diets can stimulate it. Reduce daily carb intake to under 50 to 100 grams for low-carb, or under 20 to 50 grams for ketogenic diets. Focus on healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and nuts, moderate proteins such as fish, eggs, and chicken, and plenty of non-starchy vegetables. This shifts your body into ketosis, which enhances autophagy by using fat as fuel and reducing insulin levels. Autophagy is like your body's internal cleaning and recycling service, keeping your cells young and functional by removing waste and reusing it efficiently. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.